Hey everyone, Brad here again. I hope you're all having a great day. In this video, I will show you how quickly and easily you can remotely turn on your climate control system in your Clarity, which is a benefit to me in this blistering bloody cold because it's about -20 here. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around. And if you're curious to know more about my long-term Clarity ownership experience, please feel free to check out the rest of my videos. And as always, please be sure to click those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks. So hi folks, if you're like me and you have one of these Honda Clarities and you live where it's freaking cold, like it is now, you're going to make use of the what would normally be an auto start feature on a car, but because this thing's a plug-in hybrid, it just has a remote climate. So two ways to do that. The first one is the key fob, the second one is the app, which I'll show once I go back inside. But the key fob is obviously the simplest. Of course, you have to be within range, etc., etc. So the first thing you do is lock it, double check that it's locked, push and hold this. It'll flash once, and then it might flash 1, 2, 3, and then it'll flash another 3 times, 1, 2, 3, to confirm that it's there. And if you're quiet, if I'm quiet, you can hear the fan turn on. So I don't know if you're picking that up, but that indicates that the fan is running. Of course, if you actually look in the car, there's no other way to indicate that it's running. There's no dash lights on. You know, the security alarm thing's still flashing. Nothing in the car. The park lights don't stay on. But trust me, it's on, because when you get in the car, it's nice and warm. We've had some pretty good snow here, and I've come out with a couple inches of snow on it, and it's melted right around the front of the base of the windshield there, where there's obviously the focus of the heat, and the rear defrost turns on, so it's cleaned out that too. And it also has the driver's side seat heater on occasionally, depending on just how cold it is. So that's awesome. And again, that's done with the app, or that's done with the key fob. If you want to cancel it, you just push it again, it flashes, and then it's off. And I can hear that the fan turned off. Not sure if you folks can. Okay, you're looking to listen to, you're hoping to hear something that isn't there. So anyway, that's that, and I'll go on inside here and I'll show you how to do it with the app. Okay, so I just showed you how to turn on the remote climate control with the key fob. Now I'm sitting in my house here. See, hey everybody, that's my house. Yeah, got some bananas. Here's how you do it with the app, which when it connects, so if you can kind of see that, that's a little challenging. Let me try to do this. See, I've actually got it plugged in, doesn't matter, 240, that's awesome. Climate is off though, and I can actually turn it on, and it gives you this thing, blah, blah, blah. It'll turn on for 30 minutes, it may take about a minute for it to start, etc., etc., so please be aware of the remaining battery level and all that. So it's gonna sit there and think for a minute, and then it will actually come up, and I won't waste your time looking at that, it will actually come up and show you a notification to say that it's turned on. And then the best part is, once it's gone through all this, it'll tell you the temperature of the car inside. And the best part, of course, is when you go outside and it's minus whatever the fuck, because it's freaking cold here, temperature will be, the car will be super nice and warm. So I'm going to give this a second until the notification shows up. I won't waste your time with it, and I'll just show you what that means when it comes up. Okay, there, so it worked. So you can see that it's charging. Great screen. Let's see. 18 degrees seat interior temperature, because I did just drive the car. It's not scheduled to start, but that means it's running. Climate is on, it's going to warm up. If I keep this thing on, I think I had it set for like 27 degrees, so it's going to keep chunking away, warming up, you know, which will be great. So obviously I'm not going to do it here now because I'm pretty much done for the night, but if I wanted to schedule it, you know, this is a great way to do that. You know, if you leave at the same time every day, just turn it on and say, look, you know, warm the damn thing up at 6:30 in the morning when I have to leave at 1:45, because then it'll be super toasty warm inside. And if you aren't lucky enough to park inside, it would also do a good job of melting the frost off your windows. So I'm just going to turn it off because I don't need to do that. It'll do some thinking, it has to find it, blah, 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 but all good there. So that's what you do. I really strongly recommend you have this app. When it says you need to figure out, you have to attach it to your car, you just take your, phone and you scan the VIN barcode that's either on your car, as I recall, or I just simply did mine on the sticker that came with my owner's manual because the VIN barcode was on that. Then it connects, and you can do all this crap. It's pretty fantastic, and of course you just have to be in Wi-Fi range of the car and all that. So anyway, that's that, folks. As always, I appreciate your attention, appreciate you taking the time to listen, you know, to throw me the comments, to throw me any likes, of course. I really appreciate that. And if you've made it this far, I appreciate your patience. And please, if you thought this was reasonably valuable, I kindly request that you hit that subscribe button, because the more of those I get, the more inclined I'm going to do these crazy videos. And I just hope they're helpful for anyone out there. So anyway, folks, all the best. Talk to you soon.